Time publicly that I have had these rare amethysts available. I had them last year. It was the first time I had them from Tucson 2024, and they instantly sold out in my crystal cluster group. This one is heavy. It is big and heavy because it is pure crystal, no matrix. This is a very rare and unusual amethyst. It is a hematite Elestial amethyst. If you know what Elestials are, these are covered in Elestials. Like right now I'm flashing the Elestials so that you can see them. And almost all of them are capped with hematite. And if they're not capped, then the hematite is within. See, that's amazing, that piece. And while some people think these look like Orlite 23, look at all the Elestials there. Oh my gosh. Orlite 23 is capped with iron, not hematite. This is covered in Elestials. Elestials are fantastic for purging energies that are just not aligned with your crown chakra. Oh my gosh, these are spectacular. So I'm thrilled that I got enough this year to have some to offer to you all, because I know some of you are really going to go for these. So these come from the Himalayan mountain. You know, as I travel through, the Tucson show. Here, hold on. There we go. Sometimes it's hard to get this to focus. I don't see any other vendors selling these except for one. And it is the miner that I get the Nirvana quartz anandalite, which is part of this show. And this. That is just pure crystal, no matrix. And the hematite on this one is embedded within because you can see it. So it's not capped. Look at those Elestials. But all of these have hematite in them. So a very, very rare discovery coming out of the Himalayan mountains, one particular vein. Now this one is interesting because it cracked all the way through, yet it has stayed together. So it had healed itself. Now, I feel very strongly this crystal wants to be in two pieces. So whoever gets this, if it breaks on that break line, that's what it wants to do. But right now it's together. Look at those Elestials. Oh my gosh. So if you've taken my advanced class, you know how to work with the Elestials. This one is spectacular. They're all spectacular. But this one is just, again, no matrix, pure amethyst base with the hematite. So I remember last year, Tucson 2024, when it was offered for the first time, the miner who I deal with, when he told me that he named it Alien Amethyst, I just looked at him and I'm like, really? Really? Because I do not like the frou-frou names. And he's like, well, it's Hematite Elestial Amethyst. Okay, that's what it is. But the trade name is Alien Amethyst. And I asked him, I said, why alien? And he said, it literally looks like it comes from another world. Because finding Elestials on amethyst is outrageously rare. Like the Orlite 23 can have Elestials on it, but that is not just amethyst. That's 23 different minerals. So this is amethyst that created and grew into Elestials. This, again, no matrix, just full crystal here. I love the lighter purple on this one. And I love the growth formation. You can literally see how the hematite settled on the amethyst and basically hitched a ride. Hitched a ride. This one is so cute. So this year in Tucson, I aim to get different sizes and different price points. Look at the layers. I mean, that crystal is literally showing you the growth formation and showing you how she grew. So amazing. So I wanted to make sure that everyone gets a chance to get one of these. Look at those Elestials. She may be a small piece, the smallest one in the lot, but she is powerful. I love Elestials. I can't get enough of them because we are here to align to our highest soul purpose, and sometimes we need to purge what's in our way. This is the crystal that's going to help you gently do that.